Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the story effects or filters not working problem. So the first thing guys, to fix the filters on Instagram, it's actually so easy. Just open the settings on your phone and then you have to open the wireless and networks option. Go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it, and open the apps manager like this and then search for Instagram right here. And when you find it, you have to click on it like this. Click on the force stop option and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back again, and now you have to go into the Play Store, search for Instagram and click on update. That's it guys, it's very easy to solve as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.